President Emmerson Mnangagwa's decision to reject ZANU-PF's proposal to extend his term is a significant development that underscores his commitment to constitutional principles and democratic norms. By choosing not to pursue an extended term, he maintains party unity and protects the legacy as a leader who respects Zimbabwe's constitution. Implications of the 2030 the people in the constitution will subscribe or like on the bell icon. This decision also sends a positive signal to the international community, potentially improving Zimbabwe's image and attracting foreign investment. Mnangagwa's stance may be viewed as a departure from past leadership approaches, positioning him as a reform-minded leader focused on stability and democratic governance. The term limits were never meant for poor performers. Extension of any term is not a reward for good performance. Now that resolution number 1 has been reinstated and adopted, what will the world say, and how will Zimbabwe be viewed by other countries? The Western world is likely to view Zimbabwe negatively if it extends President Emmerson Mnangagwa's term, interpreting it as a setback for democracy and a shift towards authoritarianism. This could lead to diplomatic isolation, economic sanctions, and reduced foreign investment, further weakening the economy that was on the mend. President Mnangagwa has steadily navigated Zimbabwe out of the woods. Western democracies value constitutionalism, and extending Mnangagwa's term would undermine these values, potentially straining relations with international organizations in Western countries. Zimbabwe's reputation as a democratic state would suffer, and its alignment with countries like China and Russia might deepen, countering Western influence. Mnangagwa's earlier decision to reject ZANU-PF's proposal has been seen as a strategic move to preserve his legacy and promote stability, strengthening his image as a leader respectful of democratic norms. The president's decision to reject people's wishes is a complex matter within Zimbabwe's constitutional framework. The president is expected to serve the interests of the people while upholding the constitution. Although the constitution grants the president significant powers, it also establishes checks and balances to ensure accountability. His decision not to endorse any extension of his term can be viewed as an affirmation of constitutional limits and the democratic principles. However, the relationship between president and the people is announced. Presidential decisions are influenced by party dynamics, public sentiment, and institutional pressures. In this context, Mnangagwa's stance may be seen as an attempt to balance respect for the constitution with the realities of Zimbabwean political life. The people's wishes, expressed in different ways, will continue to shape the nation's direction, and the Zimbabweans are likely to remain actively engaged in determining their future. Ndo mashwari kuburisa panguva ino muZim pamusoro implications our A2030 agenda for the people and also the constitution. Kuna comment section medu zvamafungiro enyu motodiwa pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.